CBAM is now billing. That means Europe is now charging for carbon embedded in your imports. However, for Sebacic acid sourced from China, the cost is actually smaller than you expected. The reason is how it's made. Hello everyone, I'm Dong from AwesomeChem. For this episode, we'll talk about Sebacic acid and why the carbon bill might not be a huge concern for it. Sebacic acid is used in industrial lubricants, pesticides, and cosmetics, and China is the world's largest producer and exporter. What many buyers don't realize is that the dominant production process uses the castor oil, and it's a renewable plant material. China's advantage here isn't only price and scale, and also carbon footprint. Because the raw material is plant-based, the embedded carbon will be lower than most buyers expected, and lower than the petroleum-based alternatives on the market. In the CBAM era, that difference directly reduces your import cost. And one verified example is the Hengshui Jinghua chemical. This supplier had their carbon footprint independently audited by the SGS, and the result came back at 1.78 kilograms of carbon dioxide equivalent per kilogram of product. They also hold ISCC Plus certification, which independently confirms sustainable sourcing across their full supply chain. And their product has been tested under ASTM D6A66, confirming that 100% bio-based content. On top of that, the factory runs a zero-discharge wastewater treatment and RTO thermal oxidizer for VOC control, and both were self-funded investments. If you're sourcing Sebacic acid for Europe market, ask your supplier 3 questions. The first one is, do you have a third-party verified carbon footprint report? And 2, do you hold a ISCC Plus certification? And the third question is, has your product been tested under ASTM D6A66? Your first CBAM payment is due on September of 2027, so those 3 questions will shape the bill. We're AwesomeChem for the confident chemical sourcing in China.